Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a super exciting luxury unboxing from TideLocker. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that's pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That means let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. So I got a package here from TideLocker and I got two really cute items. I can't wait to share them with you. So if you're not familiar with TideLocker, basically they have all kinds of brands on their website, like luxury inspired brands at super affordable prices, and they're so beautiful. Quality is incredible. I've gotten a couple handbags from this website before, and all I can say is that they are incredible and amazing. So here it is. I'm so excited. And like I said, I did get two items. I actually got one handbag and then an accessory. So we're gonna go ahead and open the little one. It's like so jammed in there. And here it is. Box is really pretty. So definitely the packaging is really good. Here is the inside. It comes with a little like dust bag. And here is the product. This is so beautiful. Wow. The quality on this is amazing. Like, I am obsessed with this. I love wearing hats on like rainy days, and just like on bad hair days, you just want to wear a hat and look incredible. And this hat is so beautiful. I am obsessed. It has like the logos. The quality is like really nice. The back looks like this. It says the name on the back, and it even has like a tag with the logo. This is amazing. This is so pretty. Up next is the handbag, which I am so excited to share with you, and so excited to see it in person because it's not the same when you see it online versus in person. So here's the box. Great packaging, really good detail to everything from like the box to the packaging, everything. When you open it, it is a magnetic box, and the product is in here. It does come with its own little dust bag, and this dust bag is different. This is the cloth dust bag. It looks really good, like identical. So there's that, and then inside there's a shopping bag. Okay, so here it is. It is a small little bag, and I can't wait to see it in person. So it does come in a plastic bag, and it's pink. This is so beautiful. I should have brought scissors. Okay, it's out. Look how stunning this little thing is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, wow. Can we just take a minute to like see this beauty? It is so beautiful. I can't get over it. The color is in this beautiful like bubblegum pink. This little bag is the Nano Speedy in the vernice, in the embossed logo, and it's pink. It's beautiful. I can't get over it. It does have this adorable little heart here. I'm going to take the plastic out of the hardware, and then I'll show you up close and in detail this beautiful bag. So here it is. The handles are beautiful. They are so pretty, like really good quality. It has the logo in every little part of the bag, and the stitching is on point. Everything from like the stitching to the color. It is gorgeous. I could never tell the difference between the actual thing and this one. So let's take a look at the inside, because I think this comes with a strap. And the zipper is really smooth. As you can see, it opens really nice. It's stuffed inside with this. And here is the strap. And the inside is also all pink, and it's made out of this like soft suede material. It has the tag right there. It says made in France, and everything from like the lettering to the logo is on point. But this is the bag, and then the strap. I don't know if this is like made out of vachetta, like the actual thing, but honestly I can't tell the difference. Even the hardware, like the color, it's like that beautiful light gold with the logo on it and everything. I am so impressed with this beautiful little bag. Like, look how cute it is, and it even has this little heart in here. I honestly can't wait to rock this out somewhere and wear it with a pretty outfit. This is so beautiful. I love it. So those are the two items that I got from TideLocker. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, which one is your favorite. Honestly, I love them both so much, and they exceeded my expectations. Both of these items are incredibly beautiful, really good quality and well crafted. I can't say enough. I mean, you can see the video, the pictures. I mean, it doesn't do it justice. It is beautiful in person. So that was all for today's video. I really hope you loved it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.